Hello everyone, Tashtile. I would like to give my greetings on this very special occasion, the Vesak day, the day of Lord Shakyamuni Buddha's birth and day of Lord Shakyamuni Buddha's enlightenment and the day of Buddha Shakyamuni's parinirvana. So these three special occasions took on this Vesak day. So I would like to give my greetings to everyone who's watching this all around the world. So it is very important that we should remember the Buddha's qualities and Buddha's teachings. And when I say qualities, the qualities of his speech, qualities of his mind, and qualities of his body or activities. So we should remember the qualities, and through these, through that, Buddha has benefited so much sentient beings all around this world. And moreover, it is important that we should remember the teachings of Buddha, and we should follow the teachings and live and act according to what Lord Buddha said. That is very, very important. So meaning that we should be faithful, truthful, be kind, help others, and we should be in service whenever there is a need for the others. That is very important. So when I say, also when I say we should follow the Buddha's teachings, I don't mean that we should sit in a corner and meditate, but more important is that we should act what Buddha said, act according to what Buddha said. From morning to night, we should, with a good attention, and we should live our life according to Buddha's wishes. So that is very important. So I want to give this message on this special day. And so now we are suffering from this world pandemic. I think it has disturbed so many people's lives and livelihoods, and that it has brought a lot of suffering, a lot of stress, a lot of anxiety, and so I would like to encourage you all. We should not take this event to disencourage ourselves, but we should rather take this event to encourage ourselves, and that we should encourage ourselves and others that we will be able to overcome this and able to live as normal life as we did before. So please do not panic, and please overcome this, defeat this disease which is disturbing the humanity, and be in service for the others, for those needies, and try to help others, and try to take care of yourself and to take care of the others. And at last, I would like to thank the International Buddhist Confederation for facilitating this online program, because we cannot get together, right? So they are, putting this program online so that we can reach out to all of you. So thank you very much, IBC. Thank you, everyone. Tashitile.